Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac Escalade Luxury featured in black raven with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, Bose speakers, surround vision, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have 3 seating, powered windows and mirrors, Bose speaker down below, storage and cup holder space. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left, we have the powered seating, and we can hop inside. Taking a look at the steering wheel here. On the left side, we have the cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel, and on the right are cluster and audio controls. Here's the cluster. And we can take a look at the infotainment screen. Starting off with our audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, SiriusXM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here is the map and navigation. Also, of course, have the climate controls on here. Throwing it in reverse. Here's the backup camera and surround vision. Just below that, the climate controls with heated and vented front seats. Down at the bottom here, we have 12-volt 2 USBs, 2 cup holders, and the center console here. Popping that open, tons of storage space up top, and you have even more down below. Here we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, liftgate controls, as well as the power sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles, keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, of course, we have the Cadillac badging, Escalade just to the bottom left there, and we can double click to pop it open. We have a good amount of storage space back here. Just to the right, you'll notice some power controls to drop the second and third row seats, making a ton of extra storage space. Not to mention, we also have some hidden storage down below. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. Here are these seats, and we can hop inside. Back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear climate control with rear heated seats, some extra storage. And down at the bottom, you'll find a 3-prong outlet as well as a 12-volt. Up at the top, of course, you have handles and the rear vents matched on the other side, dome lights in the middle. And in the third row of seating, we have vents on the roof as well. Dome light, here are the seats. And here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2020 Cadillac Escalade Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.